fitting. Heavy construction machinery transporter. It's a truck carrying heavy equipment to remove debris. Rescue truck. Rescue truck is designed to carry over hundreds of rescue tools to overcome any adversities during rescue operations. Ladder truck. A ladder truck is optimized to carry and deploy ladders used by firefighters to fight fires. Pump fire truck. A fire truck specially equipped to pump water at the site of a fire. Fire command vehicle. A fire command vehicle is a vehicle used by a senior officer of a fire department to respond to firefighting incidents. Fire Bureau Super Ranger Mobility Towing Work Vehicle. This vehicle has a high-performance lifting and towing capacity of 36 tons, and can remove obstacles and clear roads in the event of a disaster. Police. Patrol car. A patrol car is a police car used for patrolling streets and roads. highway patrol car. Speeding vehicles to chase speeding cars on the highway. Police motorcycle. A policeman who rides a motorcycle and who checks the speeds of motorists. Unmarked police car. An unmarked police car is simply a police car that has no visible outside markings indicating that it is a police car upon first glance. Emergency. Ambulance. A vehicle equipped for taking sick or injured people to and from hospital, especially in emergencies. Super ambulance. The super ambulance is huge and comes with amazing new functions. Driving down the street, it looks like nothing more than a large ambulance, but when it arrives on the scene, it expands, its sides spreading like wings. Firefighting ambulance. A special vehicle that combines the functions of a fire engine and an ambulance.